Okay, you guys, this is a quick video. I'm just running through my trades that I have running, just to show proof again that simplicity is just as simple as it seemed. Okay, nothing complicated. Some of these trades, a few of them were from last week, and you'll see them in that prior video that I did, but just showing you updates on those and a few that I took in earlier. So here you can clearly see this is the date right here, which is January 18th. So 2021. So that's the date. Okay. So you can go back to your own charts and verify. Okay. So anyway, just showing you this is a AUD JPY. Okay. And this is one I told you guys on the prior video. I called it on that pullback. Boom. Got it. And it's still leaving it running. Okay. And then we have this one here, which is up 75 pips. Again, same thing. Caught this one once it pulled back, boom, and just holding it and letting it roll on down. This is another one that I'm holding from last week, and you've seen it in the prior video on NCAD, and as you can see, boom, and just letting it roll on down. I'm checking it from the 4 hour, and for the 4 hour, this is the one in that prior video I told you. It looks like it can continue to run. Everything is lined up according to our rules. So I'm hoping that it'll do this massive move like it did right here versus just stopping right here, stall out, and then continue down. So that's why I'm still in that one. Okay. See, again, nothing to hide. Nothing to hide. Now, here's some I jumped in earlier. Here we go, looking at these from the 30-minute. Okay. And there you go. Real pretty and smooth. You see that one there, and that one over there. And by the way, this is a live account. So again, I want to make sure you know that. See, live account. But boom, see? Boom. Boom, just smooth motion trades. Easy money. Okay. And then this one here, as you can see, I just got in it. And so I'm up 4 pips on that one. That's what I forgot to do. Give me a second. Give me a second. Okay, so AJ, I'm up 106. All right. ACAD, I give them nicknames. ACAD, I'm up, what, 76 pips? Okay, and then NCAD, I'm up 108 pips. On NCAD, 108. Because I want to show proof, you know, showing proof. Showing proof. Okay, NCAD, EG, and that's the one, and you'll see it better from here. You see I'm up 28. Okay, and then ECAD, I am up 4 pips, base 3.9 equals 4 pips. Okay, so I put 4. And then I have EA, and that's up 28 pips on EA. Okay. And then on oil, I just got in that one. Okay, and you'll see from the 1 hour time frame, you'll see exactly why I got in that one. So this one is only like 7 pips because this is in oil. So oil doesn't count pips the same way. So it's 7.6. So it's basically 7 pips. And if you take away the spread, you'll see it's 5 pips. But also it's because I'm in 2 positions on this one. As you can see, open positions 2. So you take that spread by 2 pips, you know. So then you take that away. So I'm down by 6 pips so far. Okay, in oil money. But as you can see, look at simplicity going all the way back. From here, slid up, slid down, slid all the way up, and now it's here. So I'm hoping that it'll slide all the way back down. That oil is greasy. Okay, so I got several positions on that. That's why you see it a little bit more. So it's not 80 pips, it's counting in oil. It's 8 pips. As you can see, it's counting correctly here. 4.2 pips, 4.0 pips. See, so it's counting correctly. So that's why you see that now. Again, if you minus 2 pips out of that per each one, that means I'm only down 6 pips. Okay, so I'm just waiting on that one to play out. All right, see, showing you all my trades that I'm in. So let's go back and calculate how many pips I'm up by. All right, so 76, and this is us in a week and a day in trading weeks. Okay, 76 plus 108 plus 106 plus 28. Plus 4 plus 28 again for EA minus 8 pips. So I'm up 342 pips total so far in a week and some change. 342 pips. And I'm calculating this number because I'll probably title it something like that. That got the pip number in there so everybody can see, oh, okay, that's the real pip number. On again for people before you start any foolery. As you can see, it's a live account. Okay, live account. All right. So anyway, just showing you how simple it is. Some of you guys are struggling with trading. You're doing all these things and, you know, just come in, make sure to go through the tutorials, follow the rules, and it's just as simple as this. I mean, you can clearly see that it worked. You know what I mean? This one came down. I caught it on that retest. And these are some that was in that video that I posted already for you guys to have seen. Then I had also posted a video, which was yesterday, on, you know, strategy to use so you can make money this week. I told you guys that. And then these are the ones I jumped in. See? This ain't even 24 hours later. I just posted that video yesterday, which was Sunday. Here it is, going into Monday night, you know, London time. And boom, here it is. Just no-brainer money, you know, just no-brainer. It's just, I don't know, man. So even these three, okay, I just got into these, 24 pips, okay. And this one's at break even so far because we're just pulling back and dancing. It's a 4-pip spread. So again, you know, that's fine. So we won't count that one. So 24, 12 was 22 pips plus 24 pips. That's what? 46 pips, right? Okay, 46 minus 8. Okay, 46 minus 8 is what? And these are ones I just got in, okay, earlier today. 46 minus 8, that puts me at 38 pips. Okay, I'm up for that number of pips in no time. Some of you guys don't even see that this is the scanner popping up telling me that there's some more opportunities. If you haven't gotten the scanner or taken a look at it, shame on you.